Guys, welcome to my patio. Today I've got a project I'm going to do. I've been wanting to get a water spigot inside of this area for the longest time. We've got a water spigot already outside each of the side doors of this nice big pool patio screened area. Well, no pool in this one. The pool is in the other screened area. But this is a nice big relaxing area where we can enjoy the lake out back here. And I just want to be able to clean up sometimes with a hose spigot and a hose reel. So this is the reel I got from Tack Life right over here. Really nice brand it seems like so far. It's built nice and sturdy. Swivels right here on its swivel mount bracket. And I've installed this hose spigot here with a steel braided extension hose that's 25 foot long. Wasn't quite long enough for me. You'll see in the video. But stay tuned, guys. Let's take a look at how we did this. Hi guys, welcome back to TW Home Show. Today I'm going to make a video on trying to create a hose bib inside my screen porch area. I currently have a hose out around the corner here, but I want to add one right inside here so that if we want to anytime wash the pavers off, wash something off of the pavers, it's just so neat and handy. Fill up a dog bowl dish or something like that, so that you don't have to go outside of your screened area to go get access to that water. So guys, here's what I got today. Got this unique hose reel, swivel hose reel by Tack Life. I've got this steel braided extension hose. This is about 25 feet. I hope I've measured this correctly to make it around that corner and inside here. This is my hose spigot. I'm going to go ahead and mount this into my stucco there, and the steel hose will come up to the bottom, and I'll have a spigot coming out the top for water access inside here. And then I've got these little units here, like a Y, that'll come off the spigot outside there so that I can still have a hose outside there, and then a line that my steel extension hose will connect to make it inside here. And then this is my unique print with a 3D printer. I'll leave access to this print. I designed this with Tinkercad and created the design for this. It's got a spline spot right here where you can put your screen spline in, but it actually fits right in this corner here. So I've got a round access hole, and I can cut that screen. I'll show you from the other side. Hi duckies! Hi duck ducks! So from the other side, this is how it looks. So I'll cut the screen and put some spline in here, and I'll have access there. Now I might have to get a piece of rubber still yet, depending on how thick that hose is. But if you come around here, I'll show you. I have to run that extension line all around here and then over to that hose spigot right there. Okay, so that's the plan, guys. If you're curious how to do this. Now if you don't have that 3D print, you're not out of luck. You'll just have to get some more of this studding material, aluminum studding material for screen porches. You can get it at Home Depot or Lowe's. They usually sell them in like 10 feet. And I thought, man, I only need like a section like this to create my my access hole. It's like I don't want to get a big 10-foot long piece of stud. And I had the 3D printer. I was like, let me try that first. So that would be cool if that works out. Guys, stay tuned. Right, 3D print in place for our hose routing. Alright, let's see if we can get this hose routed in here. I'm going to have to loosen it a bit. There we go. Alright, tighten this back up. Alright guys, hole is made, and we'll screw that retaining bracket on there. Alright guys, we got our spigot hooked up. Word of warning, I thought this was like black pot metal, and this whole spigot is black plastic. So I might have to look for a replacement. We'll see how long this one lasts. We got all this steel line hose bracketed up there. Runs through our 3D print, all bracketed up here. Runs along the windowsill right underneath, and then down underneath that gutter downspout. And I connected it to this red hose because it wasn't quite long enough. And I've got our two-way valve right here. We'll go ahead and turn this one on. See if there's any leaks. Not leaking. Let's turn this valve on. Should squirt right out. There we go. We've got water out here now. Alright guys, here's the Tack Life 65-foot hose reel. Comes with a nozzle with adjustable positions. Your anchor bracket, swivel bracket, your swivel pin. You can remove your reel if you want to and carry it around with this handle a certain distance, or actually screw it into maybe your front yard or your side yard spigot if you need it there. Let's get this mounted. Alright, we're mounting the anchor pivot. Guys, it's looking good. Got it mounted. My concrete Tapcon screws worked instead of those heavy lag bolts. I was going to go result and go use them if these ones didn't work, but I got some washers and it mounted just fine. And this is 65 feet of hose in here, retractable. It doesn't interfere with our spigot right there, and it folds up flat against this angle right there. There's a washer right there. Goes in here. Wow. Working, guys. Finally, a hose I can use out on my patio. Retractable, 65 foot long, Easy to retract. I can pull it from here. Get the amount of hose I need. Just give it a little tug and it'll lock in place. So guys, what do you think? You're going to get one of these hooked up in your patio area. Handy hose for inside here. Brush off any dust or, in my case, dog fur. Hose it out. Alright guys, when you're all done, easy, just give it a little tug like this. It will roll up into your reel very easily. Pulls itself up. And you can turn it off here. Now with your new spigot, shut it off, release the pressure. All done, guys. Guys, thanks again for tuning in to my channel, watching me install a hose spigot in my patio area, how easy it was, and me installing this hose reel. Hopefully it gives you ideas for your patio area as well. And guys, I'll see you on the next video.